In property law, a landlocked parcel is one that doesn't adjoin a public road. If you own such a parcel and you rely on your neighbors for highway access, you'd better hope they stay friendly. Otherwise, you might find yourself with no way in or out except through the nearest courthouse. Let's see how one of these situations played out in the case of Holbrook versus Taylor. In 1964, Ben and Edna Taylor bought a 3-acre parcel adjacent to land owned by J.S. and Lula Holbrook. A private road extended from the nearest highway across the Holbrooks' land to the Taylors' property. The Holbrooks had allowed a mining company to build the road some 20 years earlier to access a coal mine, but the mine had since been closed. This road was the only reasonable way for the Taylors to access their parcel. The Taylors wanted to build a house on their land, and the Holbrooks let the Taylors use the road to transport workers, machinery, and materials to and from the building site. After the house was finished, the Holbrooks gave the Taylors continuing permission to use and repair the road. Based on this permission, the Taylors widened the road, installed a drainage culvert, and paved part of the road with cinders. In 1970, things went awry. The Holbrooks asked the Taylors to sign some kind of document regarding the road. The details of this request were in dispute. Mr. Holbrook said the document was to release him from any liability for damage occurring on the road. Mrs. Holbrook said the document was supposed to be a surrender by the Taylors of any claim to the road. And the Taylors said the request was an attempt to force them to purchase the strip of land covered by the road. Whatever the case may have been, nothing was agreed upon. As the dispute worsened, the Holbrooks put up no trespassing signs and strung a steel cable across the road to block the Taylors. The Taylors sued the Holbrooks in a Kentucky state court seeking removal of the cable and a declaration that they had the right to use the road. The Holbrooks argued that they were free to revoke the Taylors' permission to use the road. The Taylors won at trial, and the Holbrooks appealed to the Kentucky Supreme Court.